Hi everyone, in this video, I will walk you through installation Microsoft Entra Connect Sync and show you how to synchronize your on-premise Active Directory with Microsoft Entra ID. Before we start, here are the prerequisites for our lab today. If you want to find more detail, you can check on a video description. First, you need to download the latest version of the Microsoft Entra Connect Sync from the Microsoft Entra ID admin portal. On the Entra Connect admin portal, click on Overview, go to the Entra Connect and then click Download. Done. So now we can copy the file to the Entra Connect server and then we can start installation. So once done, we can log into the Entra server, input the domain admin credential and open the file explorer, go to the drive C where the file located, open the file to start the installation. Once you completed the installation, you will see the application show like this. So on the Entra Connect screen, click on Customize and click on Next and click on Enable the single sign-on. Here, you can input the global admin user and then you can click Next. You will see the populate another screen. You can input a user and password again. It will be need to confirm the second two-factor. When you confirm the second two-factor, there will be need a few seconds to proceed the configuration. So when it's done, you will be see another screen where it requires you to input on-premise credential here. So once you're done, you click on OK and then click on Next. Under the Microsoft Entra sign-in configuration, you can click on Continue. Under the domain and OU filtering, you can select the desired OU we have been created before. Inside the OU has some object which we consider to send from on-premise to the cloud. In the optional feature, you can select password private or a group private as well, and then you can click on Next. Under Enable Single Sign-On, click on Enter Credential and then reconfirm the domain admin user and then click on Next. Now we are ready the configuration. The last step is click on Install. The application will be fully installed and it will be require few minutes to complete the installation process. Done. The application is ready installed, so then we click on Close. And to verify the application is correctly installed, we can go to the control panel and see if the application has been listed. Another thing is we can go to the Entra portal and then we can verify if by select on the overview and then go to the Entra Connect, click on Entra Connect and then you will see seamless single sign-on enable and with one domain information. So inside here, so we also can click to verify if any services also enabled correctly. Another important part is we have to verify if the objects that we are selected by OU previous time is also sent to the cloud. To verify this, we can select to device and then we can click on all device and we should see all the on-premise device are available. Another one is we can verify a user and ensure that the user is also enabled. And you see, to verify the user that was seen from the on-premise, you can verify that by the user property or the user attribute. And another thing is you just go to the Microsoft Admin Center, add another column here and select on Sync Status and click on Save. So you will see the status seen on the on-premise objects here. Alright guys, so now we are done installation and configuration Microsoft Entra Connect Sync and successfully sync object from on-premise AD to Microsoft Entra ID. If you found this video helpful, please hit subscribe my channel and hit the like button to see the next video. Bye!